Greetings, I hope everybody is fine. It has been a request from a number of people in the comment section that should I bring some dancehall. I said, yeah, it's fine, I can do that one. So let's do some dancehall. Yeah, by the way, if you're new to the channel, I'm willywheelz, record producer and musician, and you can stick around. Maybe we can vibe together, and subscribe kindly. And you can also stream my music. I'll leave my links in the description below. I'm going to use these two plugins only, this hybrid and this one, VSTs Synth. It's a very good synthesizer by Universal Audio. And hybrid alone, sometimes in most cases hybrid alone is enough. So let's get it. BPM is around 100, because most of the time this modern dancehall is BPM resolves around those numbers. So let's check it and see. So I'm going to start to play some chords. Okay, so this is the progression. So it's 1, 2, 6, 5 on the key of G. So quantize just to make sure that you have something so you can play like around. So alternate plus Q and you continue around. Copying this one, I'm doubling this one, so you can see the energy. So let's try to find another sound from here. I'm going in this polysynth, check around. Let's check this sound. This could be a good sound. Let's record this one. Okay, so it's just 3 sounds here. Let's get back to, let's see what we can do. I'm coming to this pattern, act 1. Let's just try to add some drum. Okay, one thing I like to do, but let me try to do, let me add this plugin here so that everything should be, this is God Particle by Crado. It's a very good plugin. I hope most of you know this plugin. The Grammy winning engineer is a good plugin, so you add it on the master bus and let's see what one. You can see this, it's just changing everything. I think so. Let's see with the hi-hats. I'm gonna copy this and come on this channel and this pattern. So okay. Let's see what I can do from here. If I can make it repeat. Something like this. So let's see. It has good sounds, this one. Okay, so okay, let's do something again. Okay, so okay, let me add this glass arpeggiator sound. Okay, so let us add something. Okay, so let me also try to add some clone the same. This is another way to copy to duplicate this track. It's very easy in FL Studio, just cloning it. So I'm gonna add a pad basic. Okay. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so the beat is already full. Let me just arrange it off camera. I'll be back shortly. Welcome back. So I have arranged this beat. This is how it sounds. First of all, I'm gonna play it. Let me play it at first. This is the chorus. So this is the verse. Very few instruments because somebody is singing there. Let's assume we're doing it that way. Alright, so let's say somebody is gonna sing on this one. So the singer wants this part to be extended. That means I would be copying everything right here. That means verse and chorus. Just like that, then change some few things so that it's not monotonous. My type of arrangement is something like that. I just don't like to do things in a monotone way, so that a listener, when they are listening to your song, just for the first time, they should be amused with a lot of things happening in the song as the song goes, because the song has to grow. So basically that is it. Coming to what I did is just simple. I just added everything on the mixer and then just do some few EQing here and there. These synthesizers, EQing. I used this one. This is one of the Heritage Audio plugins. I'm going to review it soon. It's a limiter, saturation, compressor. It does a number of things. It's so good. So I'm gonna review in the next video just to use it, how good it is. But it changes a number of things. That is without it. With it, so it's a good plugin. Alright, so the rest is just stock plugins, everything. After routing it to the mixer, I did this EQing here and there just to give it some life. Otherwise it was sounding good already. So on the master I added this. It was going with me from beat making. I didn't change it. This is what even Jason uses right away when he puts it on the beat. It just does. You leave it like this. I also don't do too much because I'm working on. So whatever I'm doing is determined by whatever comes after. Saying, yeah, so basically that is it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you want more tutorials about dancehall, leave a comment. We'll be making different types of dancehall and reggae because I've done a lot of reggae. This channel is dancehall reggae, you know what I mean? That's it. So share this tutorial to other people. They can see what we do. Yeah, and subscribe. If you want production services, I'll leave my email in the comment section below. Like what I said last time, to those who are new, I don't leave my WhatsApp number right away, but my email, you can email me, because I've been receiving a lot of scamming emails, just people who are willing to take over my channel. So with a number of attractive things telling me, but after researching I just noticed these people are just scammers. So I'm no longer doing any collaboration with any unnecessary, unless it's a brand that I know for sure. Audio brand that I know, big brand that I know. I do those things, but not funny things. I don't do that because I'm very much aware of the scammings that are happening. So thank you so much. That's why I don't leave my email, my WhatsApp, but I can leave. If you're serious about working with me, like what others do, I work with a lot of people. Everybody, I respect you all. Continue to support the channel. Blessings.